Welcome back to another video. It's Canva with RFM, and for this video I'm going to show you guys how to create a simple YouTube intro. You can do it in 5 to 15 minutes on Canva, and it is so easy. First you just search YouTube intro, then you can add a blank one, or you can choose one of the templates here. I like to choose a blank one, and then here I can better search. This one has 3 pages and it looks quite professional, so I would use this one. Then you can delete the music, change the music, or you can just keep the music. And then all you have to do is customize it. So we're going to have this one as Canva with RFM. RFM and then small. Then we want to add a picture that will fit to our thing. Go. Then next one. Well, actually this one we could do a video. You want to always choose one that looks very simple and but also not too simple. So you always want that kind of twist, you could say. Oops, that's written wrong. And then you could maybe stretch it out, or you could leave it like this. I want to leave this one double, the next one stretched. Then these boxes, I think having it in that kind of dark color, and then making it a bit transparent. The text we want black and not at all transparent. Okay, we have to ungroup it because it's just making one. We want one thing transparent and it's making both of them transparent. So I like to do something like a 65. I think it's a really good transparency. I like to use that one. And then also make sure that you always do the same transparency on both of them, otherwise you sometimes will make something look quite random. They don't have that good videos, I have the feeling, in this one. I think it really just depends. Okay, and then let's just make sure that this is more in the center. One thing that I recommend is always show what you want. So for example, here, now it's in the center. Before, it was shifted like kind of here. And there, it's not exactly in the center, and it's not exactly like all the way on one side or something, because something like this is also totally fine, even coming off a little bit. Something like this is also totally good, but then you have to also show that more clearly, otherwise it just looks like you've made a mistake on your design. Okay, so then you could add a music if you want. So we could just add the one that I use. Oh, that was loud. And then you would already be done. We've created one in now around 8 minutes, and it's that simple. Then all you'd have to do is download MP4 video and then press download, and then you could use OpenShot. It's also in the link down below, which is a free editor. If you want more about that, I have made a whole video on that. And then you can just put it into the editor and put your video in front of it and you would already be done. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm now going to show you guys the final one.
Thanks for watching. Want to receive a newsletter every week containing free customizable templates? Then head over